Have you ever felt like the universe is working against you when it comes to money? Or maybe, just maybe, you haven't been seeing the abundance that's already there for you. What if you could tap into the power of your mind to change your financial reality? Welcome to today's episode of Money Mindset. If you're ready to break through financial barriers and unlock new opportunities for wealth, you are in right place. In next few minutes, we'll explore how to use a very powerful psychological concept, confirmation bias, to boost your financial success. Whether you're trying to manifest abundance or shift your mindset, you will discover practical strategies to start seeing the financial opportunities already around you. So stay tuned as we unlock the secrets to aligning your mindset with your money goals. What is confirmation bias? Let's kick off by understanding the concept of confirmation bias. At its core, confirmation bias is a psychological tendency where we seek out, pay attention to, and remember information that supports what we already believe or expect to be true. Essentially, we look for evidence that confirms our existing belief while often dismissing anything that contradicts them. Now, you might be thinking, okay, but how does this relate to money? Well, here's where it gets interesting. Confirmation bias isn't inherently negative, it's just how a brain works. The key is in learning to intentionally direct that bias towards abundance and prosperity. Think about it like this: if you believe that money is scarce, your mind will actively search for signs of scarcity, whether it's seeing bills pile up or hearing news stories about economy struggling. But on the flip side, if you believe that wealth and opportunities are flowing into your life, your mind will focus on signs that align with this, like unexpected income, new opportunities, or even small win that move you closer to your financial goals. Here is an example to make it clearer. Imagine you have set a financial goal, like earning more income this year. If you focus on the belief that money is abundant and already on its way to you, you will start noticing small signs. Maybe you will get a promotion, a freelance opportunity shows up, or a new investment idea. These are all examples of how confirmation bias works in your favor when you're consciously aligning your thoughts with your money goals. Here is an actionable tip. Take a moment to think about time when you focus on something positive related to money. Did you notice more opportunities or positive signs showing up around you? That's confirmation bias at work. Now, imagine using this mindset intentionally to reach your financial goals. Now that we understand what confirmation bias is, let's dive down into how we can use it to attract wealth and more money into our life. What we focus on, whether it's thoughts, emotions, or energy, we attract more of that into our life. If you're focused on abundance, you attract more opportunities, ideas, and resources related to that. Conversely, if you focus on lack or struggle, you'll attract more situations that reinforce these feelings. Now, here is where the magic happens. Confirmation bias and or law of attraction or law of reciprocity, whatever you want to call it, work hand in hand. When you start believing that wealth and success are possible for you, your mind naturally begins to look for evidence that supports these beliefs. The more you focus on idea that abundance is on its way to you, the more your subconscious will tune into signs and opportunities that prove this belief true. Remember, thoughts become things, and the more we align ourselves with positive thoughts and feelings about money, the more universe sends us opportunities that match these thoughts. Also, vibration is the key. Our thoughts, feelings, and belief create a frequency, and universe responds by matching you with experiences that reflects that frequency. To bring it all this together, when you are thinking about financial goals, it's not just about hoping for the best. It's about raising your vibration to one of abundance and focusing on belief that universe is already lining up resources and opportunities to help you succeed. As you begin to consciously choose thoughts that align with financial abundance, your mind will start filtering the world around you for evidence that confirms these beliefs. Today, choose one small financial goal or intention, whether it's making more money, landing a new job, or starting a business, and then spend few minutes each day visualizing that you have already achieved the goal. Focus on feelings of abundance and success, and then stay alert for any signs or opportunities that might start showing up. When you notice them, celebrate them, and they don't have to be big. They can be something you saw on internet, anything which makes you feel that it's a sign that what you believe is coming true, no matter how small. This is universe confirming that your mindset is on track and your confirmation bias is doing its work. Now that we have seen how confirmation bias and law of attraction work together, let's talk about how to reprogram your mind to support your money goals. This is where real transformation happens. In order to create the life we want, including financial reality, we must first change the way we think and feel about money. This is what we mean by reprogramming your mind. Our thoughts are powerful, but so are emotions. And here is the key: your feelings are often a direct reflection of your beliefs. If you're holding on to limiting beliefs about money, like I'll never be rich, or money is hard to come by, these beliefs create negative emotions like fear, anxiety, and frustration. These emotions can then block the flow of abundance because they send out a frequency of lack. To reprogram your mind for wealth, you need to consciously shift your thoughts and feelings about money. This is exactly where confirmation bias comes into play. By deliberately choosing to focus on thoughts that support your financial goals and to train your mind to see and highlight the evidence that wealth is possible for you, you start changing your beliefs. And once you change your beliefs, your reality change. Um, One of the most effective tools, of course, is affirmations, or also a new money story you tell. Whenever you repeat your affirmations like, I'm a magnet for money, or wealth flows effortlessly to me, or tell a new positive story about money, you are subconsciously reprogramming your brain to believe in abundance. And as you do this consistently, your mind begins to find new ways to prove these statements are true. Second technique, of course, is visualization. When you visualize yourself living the life you want, you raise your vibration to match your desire. Remember, our body can't tell a difference between what we're imagining and what's actually happening. So, again, imagine yourself already enjoying the wealth and success you desire. Picture the experiences, the freedom, and the lifestyle, and feel the emotions as if it's happening right now. When you do this regularly, again, your confirmation bias kicks in and start finding evidence and opportunities that aligns with that vision. And another very important piece is gratitude. Gratitude is the key element in uh, to help you see evidence that your new beliefs are true. When you practice gratitude for the money you already have, no matter how much it is, it sends a powerful signal to universe that you're already in alignment with abundance. This helps to shift your mindset from scarcity to abundance, making it easier to notice the opportunities and wealth that are already around you. So, you can start today by repeating positive affirmations or new story about money, or visualizing yourself in abundant life. And as you go about your day, notice the small signs that confirm this reality. The more you train your mind to focus on abundance, the more you will attract it into your life. Now, I just quickly wanted to touch on something very crucial that can hold us back from truly manifesting our financial goals, that is, limiting beliefs. These are negative thoughts or deeply ingrained ideas about money that keep us stuck in a cycle of scarcity or self doubt. They could sound like, I'll never be able to afford that. Money doesn't grow on trees, or I'm just not good with money. The problem with limiting beliefs is that they shape how we experience the world. If we believe that wealth is out of reach, we unconsciously block opportunities that come our way. We may make poor financial decisions or not take action when the right opportunities show up. But here's good news. Just like confirmation bias, you have the power to change these beliefs. First step is awareness. You need to become conscious of the limiting beliefs that are playing in background of your mind. These beliefs are often formed by past experiences or things we have been told over years, whether by family, society, or our own inner critique. Recognizing them is the first step towards releasing them. Once you identify a limiting belief, the next step is to challenge it. You just ask yourself, is this belief really true? Or does this belief support the reality I want to create? More often than not, you will realize these beliefs are based on old stories, not on your current potential. If you go through my podcast series, there's a lot of work on how you can release and identify these limiting beliefs. Now, here's where the magic happens. When you challenge and release these limiting beliefs, you free up space for new empowering beliefs to take root. It's like decluttering. Instead of thinking money is hard to get, start thinking money is abundant and easy to attract. Instead of I'm not good with money, replace it with I'm learning to manage money wisely and it gets easier every day. This shift in belief is incredibly powerful because when you begin to think differently, your actions and behaviors change. And when your actions change, your results start to reflect your new mindset. Remember, the universe will respond to your energy. And once you raise your vibration by adopting a new empowering belief, you will start attracting new opportunities and experiences that align with your new belief. Take a few moments today to write down one limiting belief you have about money. Then challenge that belief by asking, is it true? How do I know it's true? Next, write down a new empowering belief that better aligns with your financial goals. Repeat this belief daily and notice how your mind begins to seek out evidence that supports it. This shift may take time, but more you repeat this process, the more you'll begin to see your financial reality change. This brings me to the end of today's episode. Thank you so much for joining me on today's episode. We have explored today how to use confirmation bias to your advantage and how aligning your mindset with abundance can transform your financial reality. By reprogramming your thoughts and focusing on wealth and overcoming limiting beliefs, you can begin attracting the financial success you deserve. Remember, your mind is an incredibly powerful tool. And when you consciously direct your thoughts and beliefs towards prosperity, you invite more wealth and opportunities into your life. So take So take what you have learned today and start applying it in your life, whether it's through affirmations, visualization, or simply shifting your mindset about money. The universe is already lining up opportunities for you. Are you ready to receive them? If you found value in this episode, don't forget to subscribe and share it with someone who could benefit from these insights. I'll be back tomorrow with a new episode on how to work towards a specific money goals with a lot of actionable steps. Meanwhile, please subscribe to this podcast. Please, if you want to book a free 30-minute session with me to find out how I can help you shift your money reality and work on your money mindset and improve your relationship with money, drop me an email. My email address is mentioned below. Until tomorrow, keep your thoughts positive, your energy flowing, and watch how your financial goals begin to unfold. Thank you for listening.